sewer camera inspection at 2100 North Piper here in Camp Verde. We've got a single clean out by the leach field for the septic tank. We're going to try and go into the house. I do see some water running right now. So let's see if we can't just follow the water first thing. It's a T clean out, so it's going to go down in just 90 in each direction. Yeah, this video is for you, so you can talk.
Okay, that is clay.
Yeah.
Not metal.
Yeah.
That's scary. I bet you that's cracked in places. Well, the water's running. It ain't coming out the overflow, so that's good.
No, you got some
Poopy.
stuff building up in there.
TP.
Yep. I'll send you a copy of this video too, so you'll
Can't go back clay all the way.
Yeah, there's a connector right there. That's usually where we have problems with clay, right? It's where it separates.
It'll break apart from shifting.
Getting some debris built up in the bottom of the line right there.
Yeah, I see that. Must be lip.
Yeah.
Oh, there's an income.
That's where it drops in.
Does it end right there? Or is it keep? Oh.
There we go.
So it just walls off, huh?
Yeah,
so that's the intake, right? Okay.
Yeah, it's likely concreted. That's probably why that's hard right there.
At a second ago was the main out of the house into that.
Yep. I'm looking at the main line going downstream. So it's full. You're full. I mean,
okay, so we're gonna have it
pumped
for sure. I was gonna do it anyway. So.
Yeah. I mean, when you get water all the way up to the top of the tank, then that means it's full.
At least we know from the house to the clay is good, and that the clay pipes aren't busted.
Well, let's see if we can go uphill. Try our best to go uphill anyway.
It's good to see that seam doesn't crack. It's got a little buildup, but not.
Yeah. There we go.
We're in something.
Yep.
It was fun to watch.
That's a problem sometimes, is the camera head gets turned backwards and then I push into it.
Okay.
Then the camera head will break on me.
What is that? Poopy?
Well, I get to see everything in these pipes, man.
It's like a plastic bag almost. Like a rock in a plastic bag.
Yeah. There's a little bit of a lip there grabbing stuff. So the good thing about clay is it's sectional, right? Like this piece here. You can
just take it out and saturate it.
Yep. You got some more buildup on the bottom of the pipe there.
Ooh, look at those roots.
Yeah.
That's from plants.
Yep.
I'm taking it right here, huh?
Yeah, we're at 14 feet from the camera.
So right before this brick wall, then, basically.
Probably, yeah.
Let it go.
I went to my chiropractor a couple days ago.
I'm scared of him, man.
I know. I had
to get cracked and then come out and what's going to happen, dude.
I know. I had to request him not touch my neck anymore. He's like, stop cracking my neck. He's like, I don't need it. I didn't come here for it. Stay the hell away from me.
Scared of. It's like, yeah, it's walking. Throw out my sciatica. Just not. First time I did it, I didn't walk for 2 weeks. Ugh. Well, it was terrible.
Just from work.
Oh yeah, and we had a bad snowstorm a couple of years ago. And I threw my back out shoveling. And then the muscle spasms were pinching down around my spine and launching me off the bed. So I was like shooting like off the bed, like from the muscle spasms. It was so bad. Like, I was like, I need the hospital. And I didn't go. I just wrote it out. Ibuprofen, baby. It's like, there's lots of good sections there.
Yeah. We're not running into many problems, at least. It looks like it's not disturbed or anything. And the connections are even.
See, look how smooth that is. That looks great. Whereas like that one Rudy spot was terrible, but that's only like right around here. Like, that's great.
Yeah.
Like,
you could get to it.
Yeah, we get to it real easy. Like.
Yeah, we're at 50 feet right now.
So you're in the house.
Yeah.
Look at that.
Yeah. Yeah, now we're in a belly. You said, look at that, it dives down.
Yeah.
And then you look at all the stuff that starts building up on the bottom of the pipe.
Yeah.
Because it can't get.
Because it went down. Yeah.
Because it doesn't have enough pressure to push it out over that bump. So yeah, you've got quite a bit of debris in there.
Must be under that tub.
And especially if that bathroom on the far side isn't working very well.
Yeah.
And you're not flushing stuff down, it's just going to sit in there.
It's just that the toilet seems to drain a little slow, which is to be expected.
Yeah.
And then the shower is really gunked up, is what we saw. So, yeah, I wonder if it could just be blasted out, or as it goes up right there. Huh?
Yeah.
That must be right under the toilet.
Yeah, the roots are going right up into the drain.
Oh no. That's great.
Yeah, that's the end of the line for me. But isn't that what it looks like? It's hard to see in the sun.
Those look like roots, yeah.
Those are definitely roots.
I definitely see roots, and I see.
It looks like it goes up.
A bunch of calcium crap all built up. So that's all the.
So at the very least, you got to get it probably pressurized out or hydrojet.
Run through it, the hydrojet.
Yep. They don't use chainmail in these pipes because they'll crack them.
Yeah, they'll break them.
Clay it's not the worst material in the world. It's definitely not ABS, but
it's old, but it's tried and true.
It doesn't corrode. The worst you get is roots, sections where it comes disconnected, and cockroaches come in and stuff like that.
A couple of those spots with nothing really serious. Like right there, I just saw a hole with a root. Come forward a little bit, and there was like, maybe we just passed it on, but it looked like the root was coming like right through the wall of the.
Right through it. Yeah. When I get home, I put this up on a bigger screen.
Yeah.
The sun, so you can see better. Better. Yeah. This is an upgrade from the one I was using last year. Last year was a 7-inch screen. This is a 10-inch, so I can see better, but it's still kind of hard to see everything. But when you get home and you put it in front of the computer, and you can see everything.
Oh, it's so bright.
Yeah.
Colors. You can almost see it better with your sunglasses.
I know. It's because of the reflections.
Yeah.
I got.
Usually it's the other way. You gotta have pull-ups like this. I wear Maui gyms religiously because they're the best. Like literally the best. Like they use Italian crystal instead of glass for their lenses. Like,
my wife is a big fan. She's an eye doctor, so.
Yeah, it's the only sunglasses in the world that are approved by the Cancer Society.
Oh, really?
Yeah. I'm a window cleaner, so it's like I need the best I can get. Like,
do you ever notice that the more you wear your sunglasses outside, the less you can go without them?
Yeah.
The more sensitive your eyes
are
now.
You can't deal with the light as much. Yeah, exactly.
Yeah. I'm very light sensitive. I can go outside some days without sunglasses and I just start crying.
Yeah.
I just can't prevent it.
God. I gotta tell you what though, when I switched to Maui gyms, I never squinted again. Like, it's like, as soon as you put them on, you just never squint.
Yeah.
And my work sunglasses are like 3 times larger than these. So, I'm highly recommended.
Take it.
Yeah, you can afford it. You're wearing Oakley, so go get some Maui gyms and you'll take your Oakleys and toss them in the trash. Wow. You'll be stoked. You'll be happy about it.
Yeah. And my wife, we moved down here because she